Hey, what's up? Welcome to Degen Ed. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts like the chart behind me, which is of Chewy, ticker symbol CHWY. And so the last time I made a video on Chewy was, I believe, on December 3rd, so Sunday after the trading day, Friday, December 1st. Which was right before earnings, which was on December 6th. And so following earnings, we did see what looks like this drop, but then that was corrected. And we saw from, let's see, the lows of December 7th, 1686 being the low of that day, we've seen a pretty big rally, which looks like we've actually formed this bull flag with this upward moves over the past month of December, and then this downtrending consolidation. So I do think that we will see some upward moves in the near future, like moving up to fill this gap that I have marked in blue at the top at $26.83. But I actually think we'll go higher than that, and I'll point that out in just a minute. I just want to point out some of the downside risk in case that it does go down. And so what I could see happening is this downtrending channel could result in consolidation going down to right around $23 or $23.03, which I have marked by this orange line based on the low of August 31st. So I do think that could be a significant level that will be retested. Also looking at the volume profile, it does seem like there's a good amount of trading going on in the range from current price down to right around $23, as you can see here. And then also to the downside, a gap was formed on the way up between December 18th and 19th. And in order to fill that gap, going to the high of the 18th would be going down to a price of $22.26, but that could even go to the close on that day, which was $21.68, being a more proper gap fill there. And then also I do have this red line drawn at a price of $21.13, or right around 21 bucks, based on the highs here. And it does look like below that red line, the volume profile really does tend to pick up, and we do have this like pretty notable volume shelf at around $18.77, or right around $19. So I do think that will definitely serve as significant support if price does go down that low, but I do think it will probably not go much further below $21. If it even gets there, because $23 does seem like it will be support, especially with this bull flag being formed and this gap to the upside going to $26.83. And so one thing I do want to point out that I think the price could go beyond $26.83 is based on the moving averages, which I'll throw up here right now. And so basically what you see is on the blue line is the 200-day moving average. And so that is at a price of $28.22. So I do think if there is a breakout from this bull flag, that prices could go as high as $28.22. But maybe that would just be a wick of a candle that would then be brought back down to a close around $26 or $27. So I do think there is considerable upside with that. And also, if I do zoom in a little bit, we can see the 21-day moving average. This orange line is right around that level of 21.13, having a price for the 21-day moving average of $21.31. And then below that is the 50-day moving average in yellow at $20.13. And so, those are my thoughts on Chewy. If you found them helpful, make sure you like the video and share your thoughts in the comments down below. And make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching, and Happy New Year.